Hey there, Internet Explorers. Have you ever dreamed of making money online but didn't want to invest a single dime? Well, you're in luck. Today I'm going to reveal how you can start a blog and monetize it without spending a penny up front. Sounds intriguing? Stick around because this might just be the life-changing opportunity you've been waiting for. Blogging is a fantastic way to share your passions and knowledge with the world. Not only is it a great creative outlet, but it also has the potential to become a steady stream of income. The best part? You can start a blog for free. Platforms like WordPress, Blogger, and Medium offer free options to get you up and running in no time. First things first, choose a niche you're passionate about. Whether it's travel, food, tech, or personal finance, your enthusiasm will shine through your writing and attract readers. Next, pick a catchy blog name and set up your blog on a free platform. Don't worry about making it perfect at the start, just get your content out there. Now, let's talk about the exciting part, making money. Here are 3 proven ways to monetize your blog. Ads. Sign up for ad networks like Google AdSense. They'll display ads on your blog, and you earn money every time a visitor clicks on them. Sponsored posts. Once you build an audience, companies will pay you to write posts about their products or services. This can be a lucrative way to earn money while providing value to your readers. Affiliate links. Join affiliate programs related to your niche. You'll earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your referral links. Sites like Amazon Associates and Share a Sale are great places to start. And there you have it. A simple yet powerful guide to starting a blog and making money online without any investment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on making money online. And hey, drop a comment below if you have any advice for others wishing to start blogging or if there's a topic you'd like me to cover next. Happy blogging, and here's to your online success.